Okay, boys and girls, when it comes to capitalizing, another important thing to make sure that you capitalize are languages, races, and nationalities. So they are also considered a proper noun and they should always be capitalized. And just some quick examples are languages or English, Spanish, any language, Arabic, any language that you learned about that you see written is going to be capitalized. Same with races, African American, Pacific Islander, Caucasian, all of those races or ethnicities, that's also going to be something that you're going to capitalize. Same with nationalities. You have Canadian, Spanish, Chilean, you could have Mexican, you could have American. All of those things are also going to need to be capitalized. So keep that in mind when you're doing your worksheet, that all of these need to be capitalized. There's some good examples here at the top in case you get confused.